Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, somebody has filed a winding up application against my company. Am I still able to put my company into liquidation or voluntary administration? So this question is being asked by somebody who's a sole director and sole shareholder of their company. Firstly, to explain, a winding up application is an application made to the court, typically by a creditor, for the liquidation of that company. It most commonly arises because that company owes the creditor a debt that hasn't been paid. Now, if somebody has filed a winding up application against a company, that company is no longer able to put itself into a liquidation. More formally, that company is no longer able to put itself into a creditor's voluntary liquidation, which is the most common kind of liquidation that a company puts itself into. Now, it is possible for the directors of the company to still put the company into voluntary administration. However, if the directors are going to do that, it's very important that they do it properly so that it's not an abusive process to circumvent the court process in any way. For example, if the directors of the company are aware that they or some other party is going to propose a deed of company arrangement, that is, some sort of proposal for the rescue of the company or payment of its debts to some degree or in some way, shape or form, so some sort of proposal in relation to the debts of the company, and that is a reasonably viable proposition, and it's a genuine intention by the directors or the third party or whoever else the directors are aware of who might be proposing this to carry it through if it was successful, then that might be a genuine reason to put the company into voluntary administration, even though there is a winding up application in existence.